Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel, that's sending me comments. Those comments has been so inspirational to me. They help me to be motivated to keep doing this. And I enjoy reading your comments because they are really nice. I'm sitting here today and I'm drinking the herb tea. And this is a tea I brewed myself. And I wanted to share it with you because it's made of cloves, ginger, honey, and lemon. And it's really a good tea. And what I've learned is I'm a diabetic. And because I've been drinking this for 3 weeks, I had a doctor's appointment just recently, and my A1C has dropped. I can't really tell you it's because of the tea, but it's the only thing I've been doing differently. And I wanted to share it with you because I like people to try it. Now, what works for me may not work for you, but I wanted you to know about it. And I don't want you to think that because it's lowered my A1C or maybe contributed to lowering my A1C, it would do the same for you. So just be careful. Don't actually consider that this may work, but try it. Try it because it may just be something you'll enjoy. The cloves in the tea helps with inflammation and other pain and things like that. So just brew you some, and I will show you the recipe I used. I will maybe brew some and let you see how I operate with this tea. I also went today and I had a haul. I went to Sam's. Sam's got some new things out and they were really interesting. I wanted to show a few of them to you so you could see that, this is a new year and Sam's has put some new things on the shelves. And I bought some and I want to show you my haul. Every 2 months, I go to Sam's to get my household items. And I want to just show you some of the things that I usually buy every 2 months. And sometimes 3 months. It depends on how much we use of each thing. But I want to share all this with you. And if you like what I'm doing, please continue to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to be notified when I have a new video coming out. Thank you so much. Okay, here is the ingredients for my herb tea. I use cloves, whole cloves, and I use about almost a fourth of a cup, not quite a fourth, maybe a little less, about half of that. I use a lemon, and I'm going to cut up the lemon and let you see how many slices I put in the water. And I use ginger, fresh ginger, and I sometimes put honey to sweeten it, and sometimes I just drink it without the honey, but this is some honey I use. And the first thing I do is I get my water boiling, so I'm going to pour, this is 16 ounces of water. And sometimes I make more than, if I want to make more than 1 cup of it, I will use 2 of these bottles, 32 ounces of water I will use. And then I take the ends off my lemon, and then I slice my lemon. 1, 2, 3. I think I use about 4 slices of just fresh lemon, and I put that in the water. And I pour my cloves in the water. And then I peel some ginger off. I'm going to peel off some of the skin of the ginger so I can get straight to the ginger. And I'm going to cut off the skins all the way off the ginger. And then I'll start to slice the ginger into small pieces as well so that I can get, the flavor. That's 1, 2. And you kind of cut the ginger up as much as you want. So you can slice it smaller or keep it large, but in this case, I'm going to slice it a little smaller And there's a hard spot right there, so I took that off. And I'm gonna pour this ginger in. And what I do is I let it come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, I will turn off the fire. So I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. Just let you see in the pot. And here's my tea in the glass. And what I have extra, I put in this thermos glass, which lasts for the next couple of hours. And it also stays kind of warm for later. And here I am at Sam's, and I'm looking at a lot of new items that they have on display that I hadn't seen before, and like the collapsible storage bin, and then these washable rugs. They're really nice. I think I'm gonna purchase one of these rugs today. But there's some other items here I've been looking at, and I want to show them to you. I may not purchase them, but I wanted you to see some of the newer things they have in Sam's this week. So I'm going to let you just look around at some of the items with me. Okay guys, I'm back at home, and I wanted to share with you some of the items that I bought. These are my items that I usually get every other month, and so I want you to just see what I do purchase. And it lasts really long, sometimes even more than 2 months, but I go every 2 months to Sam's and just kind of stack up on things that I need. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I purchase on a regular basis. And then I bought a few other things. Okay, here's the washable rug I purchased at Sam's, and I put it under the sink, on the floor by the sink. Oh, the guys are here to restore my fireplace mantle, and they're going to be doing a lot of sanding and varnishing and changing the stain color to a darker color. So if you're interested in learning how to maybe change the color of your mantle, they're going to be doing the work now, and I'm going to let you watch for a while so that you can kind of observe what changes they've done and what some of the things that they're going to do to the mantle. Okay, they added a fan so that it could help dry the mantle faster, And the mantle is complete. For anyone who wants to know the color of the mantle, it's a Sherwin-Williams wood stain, and it's in the color of ebony. So if you're interested, I'll put it in the description box. And here they are in the front of the house. Now they took the door down to fix the bottom of the door. They said that there was something that needed to be restored at the bottom, but they are supposed to be putting on locks. So they're going to finish up and they're going to put the new locks that I showed you in my last video that I purchased, because they are the same as the old locks, but because we had so much construction traffic coming in and out the house, I decided to buy some new locks for the front door. And here he is putting the new locks on. And that'll be the end of the construction for a while. Back in the family room, and I just wanted you to see how the mantle and my new coffee table and the TV stand kind of all blend together, so that they will be okay with the color. So I just kind of wanted to show you that for a minute. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate the mantle so you can see. Now the mantle may not stay the way it's going to be decorated today, but I wanted to get an idea of what I want to put on there. And one of the major colors is going to be teal. So I'm working with teal and beige and the dark wood. So those are the things that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you two different styles that I'm trying out. Not sure which one I want, but I'm going to do two different styles right now. But again, they may not stay when the furniture comes, but I wanted to just try them out, and I want you to see it. Okay, here's the finished product. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so you can be with me again, and give me a thumbs up. And may God bless you, may God keep you, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.